Hi, my name is Haley Carlson, and this is my Module 1 video for EDL 851, Supervision and Evaluation of School Personnel. A little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Haley Carlson. I was born and raised in Manhattan, Kansas, went to high school at Manhattan High School, went to K-State for my undergrad, and now I teach at Manhattan High School, so I grew up here and stayed here, just haven't left yet. I am an 11th grade English teacher. I also teach a section of creative writing, some other school responsibilities that I have. So I'm the Tribe Spirit Club sponsor, and I am also the 10th grade advisory planning person. So with Tribe, the Spirit Club, we do everything from homecoming to picking the themes for the games to just making sure that kids know what is available to them to get involved with at the school. And then for advisory, that is our study hall, social emotional time. So I plan that social emotional lesson with counselors and another teacher in the building. I am engaged to be married, so it's coming up really quickly here. It's 4 months from today, so May 23rd is the big day, and so I'm really excited on this slide. I have a engagement picture. It's one of my favorite ones. I put it on our save the date. So that is kind of overwhelming my life right now. Grad school and teaching and wedding planning is all there is to me at this point. Some hobbies, if I get a chance, I love reading. I love outdoor activities, mostly warm activities. I don't really enjoy the cold. I like to travel. I enjoy writing. I am really big into true crime. I always have been. I love reading, podcasts, documentaries, anything like that. And then I also coach Special Olympics, which takes up some of my time as well. So, to the content, strategies for developing a collaborative professional culture designed to support improvement. So, starting with improvement, providing professional development opportunities, allowing teachers time for collaboration, and creating a safe environment for staff to ask for help were all things that I thought of when it came to improvement. I think that when we think of teachers improving, we think about professional development and what they can do, but I also think that collaborating and that environment piece are really important to improving the school and making it better every single day. With retention, so obviously salary and benefits, you want to have a competitive market to bring people in, support from administration, a positive work environment, and trusting staff to make decisions. I have a couple of friends who don't have positive work environments and they don't feel like their administrators trust them, and that means that they can't always do their job to the best of their ability because of that. So I think that that is really, really important, especially when it comes to retention. When it comes to learning, establishing policies school-wide, establishing curriculum alignment from kindergarten to 12th grade, making sure that every teacher knows what should be taught and every student knows when they should learn things. And then as well, individualized and personalized learning are really important. Making sure that teachers know how to start moving towards that for individual students. Well-being, the last one for this section, encourage a work-life balance, a positive work environment, and then a tap-in, tap-out system to help each other. So finding someone in the school that you feel like you can go to, or you can text and say, hey, I am about to lose it on my first hour. Can you come while I go get a drink or go walk it off? I think that is really important. I have had a horrible work-life balance up until really this year. And so I think encouraging that, teaching teachers how to do that, making sure that they have lives outside of their job is really important, because you cannot care for others if you cannot care for yourself. In the development of a healthy and effective professional culture, what roles are played by? So relationships. Relationships are everything. Positive relationships are important. People want to come to work and enjoy it. They want to come to work and be great at their job, but if they don't have relationships, they can't really do that. So relationships matter. Trust. Without trust, many people don't work their best. They won't give it their all if they don't feel like they are trusted. So an environment without trust can be negative or even hostile in some situations. And then well-being. If staff do not feel if their well-being is cared for, they will care less about their job. So if people go to work and they don't feel like they're important, they're not going to do an important job. They're not going to do their best or fulfill their potential. And I think that caring for our staff is really important in making sure that our school is successful in all areas. So my last slide, how does all of this support the educational success and well-being of each student and adult? So when the work environment is positive and welcoming, students and staff will perform their best. And without trust for staff, they can't do their best job, and it directly impacts students. I am super excited for this class, and I can't wait to learn from all of you and learn more about you. Thank you for watching.